It's laundry day. Anyways, it's laundry day, and a couple days ago, yes, I haven't gotten to it yet, but it has been in a bag. Brady woke up with a stomach flu. I kind of think maybe he just ate something bad, because he only threw up twice and then it was over and he was totally fine. But in the meantime, I let him sleep in my bed because he wasn't feeling good before he threw up. And then he woke up in one of those sleeps, you know, kids do it. I did it as a kid all the time. And just threw up in his sleep, just kept throwing up all over my bed. So I rinsed all the sheets out, but it was in the middle of the night and I had wet laundry in the washer. Anyways, I just didn't want to do laundry right then in the middle of the night. So I put it in a bag after it was rinsed and just let it sit there. I know it's gross, but oh well, that's what I did. So I am now washing them, but I wanted to share a tip of what I do to get rid of that smell, which the laundry soap is good, but I want to get rid of the smell and everything, and in my mind I just need to do a little extra. So I take my cup of laundry soap and I add 4 to 5 drops of Melaleuca. Can you see that? Anyways, right into the laundry soap. Let me see if I can flip this. I don't know how to flip it. Right into it. And then it will mix with the water really, really well. Instead of, because I have a front loader, so I can't dump it in mid rinse. So that's the tip. Hopefully you guys like that. I think I've put on here before that I actually do this with all of my workout clothes and stuff, because just the lots of sweating and nasty bacteria can grow, and I spray my running pants especially down with them because they get that stench, and it's just that stench that they're kind of older pants. Even if they're only like 2 months old, you use them all the time, I still spray them down, and it just helps so much with the bacteria and the smell and everything. So if you have any questions, please message me and let me know.